So yet again, I've gotten chosen
I got it chosen.
to do a Jolly Box from Influencer. I don't need appearances. And this is what we get inside. Kitty cow! Peanut butter cream. Puff plus lotion. Duct tape. And a I can't do this. A Rimmel Show Off lip lacquer, and it is looks like it's going to be pretty.
It's pretty, Mommy. It's pop. Wow. It's pop.
It's under my tongue. Yuck. Hey, stop.
I'm pop.
Ignore my children.
I'm the poppy.
I'll give you the poppies. And I got, oops,
I got you. Look, I got that pop.
trying to get it where the light's not going to
You're my
shine.
pop.
New York and Company High Definition Color Trio. And, oh, the card was stuck in there. And it is all thanks to an influencer Jolly Box. I can't wait to try these and review them and upload my fun. See you guys later.